everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Core's Life. Today I'm going to be doing a recipe video on how to make cranberry almond biscottis. If you're interested, keep watching. These biscottis taste great and they last a really long time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For these biscottis, we're going to need all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour, butter, sugar, eggs, baking powder, salt, dried cranberries, and almonds. To start, we're going to add half a cup of room temperature unsalted butter, 3/4 cups of sugar, and 2 eggs. We're going to mix this all really well and set it to the side. Next, we're going to prepare the dry ingredients, which includes 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then after you mix that, you're going to add in half a cup of dried cranberries and half a cup of chopped almonds. Then we're going to incrementally add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and make sure that we mix that well. Once we have thoroughly prepared the mixture, you want to add a little bit of flour to a board and collect all of the dough. We're going to split the dough into multiple smaller logs. Once the logs are prepared, you want to flatten them on top. Once you have finished making these logs, you're going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes until it's lightly brown. This biscotti recipe consists of a 2-bake system, so this is the first bake, and it should look lightly brown like that. Once you have removed it out of the oven and let it cool down, you want to cut it into angled pieces. You'll notice that the center is not completely baked. Once you have made these pieces, you want to place it back in the oven for 10 more minutes until they are golden brown. While we're waiting for the biscottis to bake, we're going to make the chocolate glaze. For this, we're going to need dark chocolate, orange zest, and coconut chips. To start, we're going to place water in a pan on low heat and let it warm up. Then on top of that, we're going to add a glass bowl and put in our chocolate chips. We're going to let that warm up and melt. Make sure to stir it consistently. Once the biscottis have finished baking, you want to remove it out of the oven and let it cool down. Once the biscottis have finished cooling down, we're going to add on the chocolate glaze. So here I'm just using a brush to glaze it on top. You can add whatever toppings onto the chocolate glaze that you would like. So I am adding some orange zest and some coconut chips. With that, this recipe comes to an end. I hope you all enjoyed it. These biscottis taste great with tea or just alone, and they have a great shelf life. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.